There are no intentions on things. You know, things are not evil or good. It's the usage of things that makes them evil or good. It's like take a knife, for example. You can use it to stab someone and kill them, or you can use it to, cut the meat that you're going to eat or feed your children with. So is the knife an evil thing? I see people making this kind of judgments all the time, especially when it comes to the usage of informatics tools. There is no such thing. Tool isn't good or bad by itself. It's the context of it which makes it the right tool or the wrong tool. It's not about being good, being bad, or anything like that. This is particularly true with a tool such as Excel. These are tools that are so powerful. They allow for so many things that they become obstacles instead of help. The thing is, they leave too much responsibility to the user, to you. So it's up to you to decide, first of all, whether the tool is or is not appropriate for the problem you want to solve. The second decision is how exactly are you going to use the tool. In the next few videos, I will be sharing with you some ways that you really want to choose some other tool, and hopefully help you better choose the tools you need to use for your day-to-day.